All right, last section of lesson 2-4. This is kind of an easier section. This is just solving quadratics that may have imaginary numbers. So we're going to start here with letter A. Letter A says x squared plus 4 equals 0. In order to solve, remember we want to subtract that 4 over. X squared equals negative 4. Whenever I get rid of a square, I'm going to take the square root, and don't forget, it has to be a plus and minus. Well, we can take out a 2. We can also take out an I. So x is equal to plus or minus 2i. What about this one? How do I solve this one? What would you guys do? I would probably use the quadratic formula. My a is 3. My b is negative 2. My c is 5. X is equal to opposite b plus or minus square root. Well, b squared is 4 minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. Well, underneath it looks like we're going to have 4 minus, and that looks like it's going to be 60 all over 6. 4 minus 60 is what? Good, negative 56. So we have 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 56 all over 6. And a perfect root probably goes into 56. I know that you can divide that by 8 and 7. So 8 is not a square root, but 4 is. So it's 4 and 14. This can break up to be 4 and 14 and negative I. So I'm breaking this radical up right here. So our final answer, probably not because it's going to be reduced, is 2i root 14 over 6. Yep, it's going to be reduced. But remember, we can only reduce this 2, and this 6. This 14 is not part of the reducing. So 2 and 6 and 2 can all be divisible by 2. And we get 1 plus or minus I root 14 all over 6.